Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R exemplifies Honda's dedication to performance engineering and innovative design. This latest iteration of the iconic hot hatch offers a blend of power, agility, and advanced features that cater to driving enthusiasts. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2025 Civic Type R is a turbocharged and intercooled 2.0-liter VTEC-registered inline four-cylinder engine. This power plant delivers an impressive 315 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 310 lb-ft of torque between 2,600 and 4,000 RPM. The engine's performance is enhanced by a redesigned turbocharger and a more efficient exhaust system, contributing to its increased output. The vehicle comes exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission, featuring a rev match control system that ensures smooth and precise gear shifts. This setup provides drivers with an engaging and responsive driving experience. Chassis and handling. The Civic Type R's chassis has been meticulously engineered to offer exceptional handling and stability. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to provide sharp cornering capabilities while maintaining ride comfort. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with a limited slip differential, which enhances traction and control during aggressive driving maneuvers. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 Civic Type R is both aerodynamic and aggressive, reflecting its performance-oriented nature. Key design elements include a prominent rear wing, functional air vents, and a wide stance that not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency and high-speed stability. Interior features. Inside, the Civic Type R offers a driver-focused cockpit designed to enhance the driving experience. Features include sport seats. Deeply bolstered seats provide support during spirited driving. Digital instrument cluster. A customizable display offers pertinent driving information. Infotainment system. A touchscreen interface with smartphone integration capabilities. Honda Log R registered data logger system. This integrated system allows drivers to monitor performance metrics in real time, aiding in performance optimization. Safety and driver assistance. Honda has equipped the 2025 Civic Type R with a suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking system. These technologies work together to provide a safer driving experience without compromising performance. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R stands as a testament to Honda's commitment to delivering high-performance vehicles that are both thrilling to drive and practical for everyday use. With its potent engine, refined handling, and advanced features, it continues to uphold the legacy of the Type R badge.